time we got more firewood. Right, Mommy? At least this time we got some firewood.
Yeah.
Except 2 of the 10 packs. But this day, because yesterday you filled it up. Okay, there, done.
Done? All right.
Okay, we're feeding the animals. Hi. How you big Hogan? Come here. Oh. No. Yes!
Hi. Now I want to feed the little pig.
Here's your babies. Where's my buddy at? Where's my
Hold on, I want to feed the baby cow.
Hi. Right there. Chew. Not chew. Hey, can I see some of those?
Pretty loud. Oh, my bad.
Wait, can we feed the cow?
Not jump on me.
Oh, where's the brush? Can I brush the cow?
Yeah, that hurt.
Yes.
You hurt. You have. Ow, my cow.
Yeah.
Mommy. Hey, dum dum. Dum dum.
Here, come here. No, you can't be. Don't drop it.
Whoa, dude.
Here. What's the cow's name?
Blue's Clues. Hi, Blue's Clues.
That's why I
That's it.
Here. So she's used to kids. She just got too big though. Hi, baby. See,
Stop
I'm not
it.
too big. I'm just more into cuddle.
Okay.
Here, come with me. I'm just more into cuddle.
You stay down.
Cuddle
I don't
size.
like
That's all
things
it is.
jumping
Hey,
on
you need a good
okay?
brushing, huh? Yes, you do. It's right behind the horn.
Hey, Zoe, come from
There we
behind
go.
the
Yes,
cow.
that feels good. That feels good, don't it? Yes. It felt good, buddy? Hey, Aubrey, she has an itty bitty baby girl over there in the rabbit.
Like
2
o'clock in the morning talking.
They're mean.
Most of these are mean. I don't have any trees. No more.
Leave me alone. We have nuts.
Poor Landon.
Caden, take the goat treats from Landon so that he can get a break.
No, I'm fine. I'm just getting surrounded.
Pretty nice though.
Hey, Cowie.
We were working at the house that we're remodeling, so everybody's covered in paint and everything else.
Randy, give me the goat treat. The whole bag.
That's what they
The
do.
whole bag.
Zoe, you need to wipe off, girl. You got snow all
Ow.
over you.
The baby goats won't let me pet them. I like the ones where, like, if they get scared, they just like squeeze and fall
You
over.
better stop it.
They're faintings.
Get down.
Fainting goats, yeah.
Chill out, guys.
I like those ones. And that little one over there, it looks just like one too.
Buddy. No.
How that one falls.
I'm giving you a treat.
That whole handful that you have.
Treat.
Oh,
No, you're not
that's
supposed to
like-
eat goats.
well done.
I want to eat all the treats.
The whole handful that you have.
Right, you're done.
And get one. Give that one to the cow.
Ah,
You're supposed to give it to the cow.
This guy is so weird.
You're supposed to give it to the cow.
Can we ride the towel now?
No.
You gotta be insane.
Zoe, the cow is going to take that treat from you.
Yeah,
You gotta
so
give it
don't
to
be
him.
scared, you just gotta-
They have bottom teeth, but that's about it, and it feels weird. She'll gum on you.
Yeah, she has bottom teeth.
No! Get off!
She'll gum on you.
Get off!
Stop yelling, please.
Cow.
Yeah, no, but the problem is, like,
So does
it tries to attack you.
She got mad.
She's like, move out of the way. Give me the treat.
Apparently this is her hair.
Cow.
The cow peed.
Zoe, his name is Blue's Clues.
Blue Clues. Come here, baby.
Here
Blue
comes Billy Goat.
Clues.
Blue Clues.
Gonna knock him over.
Here's my buddy. I want to know what his name is.
What you want?
Come here.
Blue Clues.
She knew every single one of the goats.
No, come here, buddy. Come here.
I have a name. Give me a room.
Come here,
Come here.
You haven't named any of them?
Nope.
I'll keep petting you. Come here.
Too many to name.
Go, go. Here, go. Here, go.
You love pets,
Here,
don't
go,
you?
go.
Yes, you do. You love petting. Huh?
Joey, did you give that treat to the cow?
Yes, you do.
I think they're pretty much treated out, guys.
He's treated out. I'm done with giving him all the treats.
Wait, where's my butt? There she is. Come here. Come here. Come on.
He only comes if you have a lot of treats.
No, she's been coming to me without treats. No, I just felt that you stepped on it. Here. Was your mouth full? There we go. You want another one? That's all we
I'm out, treats. That was so
Yes,
cool.
There we go. Yes. Yeah, you want more? Come on.
Enough
Hey,
for
I
the.
got more. Yes, there we go. Yes, baby. Yes.
That's it. No.
Come on. I got more. Come here. Hey. Hey. I don't know your name, but come on. Hey. Hey, I got some.
Cow says, I'll take it.
Hey, baby. What you doing, huh? What are you doing? Huh? I don't have any more for you, okay? No more. I
She
don't
can
have
eat the
no more.
small one.
Here we go. Oh, you want a small one? Here.
I want some skull food.
There you go. Yes. Say we do it like we feed horses, flat-handed. Yeah, I'm not a kid. I'm not scared. Yeah, you want more? I got more.
Not
Oh,
yet.
you just dropped them all. Hold on. Hold on. Go get them. There we go. Okay.
Daddy.
That's it.
When you get the horses, you go like this. No, Zoe, those are too small. Put those back in here. Go get your fingers. You gotta get the big red one.
Wait, where's the donkey?
I am.
Hey, buddy. Hey, hey, hey.
That one will get you.
What up, Zoe?
I'm like, come here.
I'm sorry, I got in your camera.
Good job. Zoe,
He
don't
grew
jump
up
around.
at the preschool, so he's real gentle.
Did you like that? Look at that. Who's my big good boys? Ooh, it almost got my hand.
You too. Good horsey, huh?
That's it.
Grab these trains under you, buddy. Hey, like if y'all need someone to just like come and brush the cow and the horses, I'm like all up for it.
No, I'm good.
I know, our kids are over here eating this.
I need your phone number.
For real, I don't mind.
I ain't got no food.
I do not mind at all. Just
Oh, there's
relaxing.
the pony. I was wondering.
Just don't ask me to do hooves because I'm not good at hooves.
No, I just need them brushed. Because look how dirty.
I know, I see that. But I was also doing the goats and the cow too.
I scratched your neck. Oh.
I'm sorry.
I think he's scary.
Okay. Okay.
Do y'all ride them?
Oh, you're scaring me, bud.
I don't know how.
Stop it! Hey!
I tried twice.
They didn't like it too much.
Oh, yeah, they're great.
Are they broken?
Yeah. No, they don't have any broken
Look at him.
It just means that they're rideable. I used to ride horses when I was a kid.
Can I ride your horse?
Come here. Come here, buddy.
He's been eating snacks all day.
Yeah, I think he likes it too. I ain't got no snacks. I just
Hi.
Say something to YouTube.
Hello. My name is Zoe Garson, and that's my mom.
Tell her
From next door.
Thank you.
Thank you, and have a great day.
You got
Hey,
it.
thanks for letting us pet the horses.
And I hope you can like this video. Yeah, this will be a video in this too.
Video. Make sure you hit the notification bell.
I hope this doesn't get very
Like and
spicy.
subscribe.
Yep.
I
I want to hold it chicken. No.